Hi everyone, I went to Hobby Lobby over the weekend before New Year's and I got a few things that Christmas is still 75 off, so I imagine after New Year's it'll be 90%. But I went to two Hobby Lobbies and there was like nothing. I know Vagabond Crafter did a video and she got like all these things. None of that stuff was at my stores. But I can show you what I did get. They had one of these left and they're like little ornaments and they're so adorable. I think these would be so cute on a tag for Christmas time or for like a little embellishment on, I don't know, if you're gonna make a little box or something. These are really cute. So I was able to get one. That's all they had left. I was also able to get two of these, one at each store. And I saw them, we've all seen these little lights and it's like, yeah, whatever. I wasn't too crazy about them. But what I will do is I will take them off the strings and use them as little charms and little Christmas tassels. That's what I'll do with these. So I have a plan for these. Or even like a Christmas chunky charm, might hang some of these from the top of it. So that's an idea for that. Then for $4.79, regular $19.99, I got this from Sizzix, and I've always wanted one of these. It's for like when you do your intricate dies and you have all those little pieces. I use my little pokey tool to poke them out, and that's fine. But sometimes when you have a die, there's so many of them, you don't feel like taking everyone off. So that's what this is. It comes with, like a foam pad. You put your die on the foam pad, then you get your little brush thing here and you just brush it like this and all the pieces come off. Then this little tool is for cleaning it. Let's say you had let's say you made a die cut and it's a little fuzzy where the cuts are. You take this little tool, this picky tool here, just to clean off the paper so it looks nice and crisp. And then they got this cute little magnet here, and that's to pick up all your dies. Let's say you have a bunch of little dies that you're working with, and if you're Tim Holtz fans like me, you know just what a task that can be. You know him and his dies, all 157 in the pack. So then you pick everything up with this little this little magnet, and it shows you here on the back what it's all good for. So I finally was able to pick one up, and if there was more, I would have picked more up and gave them away as gifts. When I do giveaways and things, and I hope to do a challenge soon. It would have been a nice gift, but unfortunately there was only one. So when I go back, you never know. Sometimes there's more. I end up getting these two fabrics. This is like a nice satin red. That'll be nice for a Christmas journal. And I've made a beach journal before and a nautical journal. And the beach journal is still for sale. The nautical journal sold. Well, the first one did. I made a second one. That one didn't. That one's still in my shop. But then I just picked up this. This is duck fabric. And I thought this would be nice as a beach journal because there's quite a bit of it too. I got it for, this one was, the red was $3.88 and this one was $3.74. So that's quite a bit to work with. So I like it. It's got the seahorse and the shells and the sailboat, the lighthouse, the anchor. It says beach, ocean. So that'll be really nice for a beach journal. So I got those two fabrics. I'm working on a recipe journal right now. And I don't think that anybody would want avocado as a cover, although maybe they would. I don't know. But this will be good for little fabric flips in the recipe journal because I'll have this one and I'll have a couple of others from other recipe journals I've made in the past. I have some scraps left over that I like to use for fabric flips, so that'll be good as part of a fabric flip. And that was $3 on clearance. I got another one of these. I'm going to give them to my cousins for Christmas time. And I got another one for my daughter because I saw a few more. There's also the round ones, like for change. So I don't know. I thought it was kind of cute. Maybe they won't like it at all. I have no idea, but it was 75 off of $11.99. And I don't know. I just thought it was something cute to put in your purse. And then last but not least, ribbon was 40 off. And I saw that Happy Bird's Glitter Nest, she made some tags with this ribbon. I never seen this ribbon at Hobby Lobby before. But what I liked about it, she used the clear one. What I liked was the glitter did not come off. She was, showing you how it didn't shed or anything. And I love that. And I'm afraid to buy these when they're wrapped because I'm not sure if the glitter is going to come off, because sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Depends. So this does not come off. So I had it and then I put it back, and then I was like, well, what am I really going to do with those? I have tons of ribbon already. But then I got them again because I'm like, wow, that would be great for when I make tassels, when I do my unicorn journals. You know what I mean? Or just maybe I'm going to do a pocket letter for somebody and there's all like pastel colors or lighter colors. And this might come in handy because if I make a tassel, the glitter is not going to come off. So I got these two. You can't really tell on the camera, but these stars, the one with the pink, the stars are gold and blue. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of red in there too. Yeah. And then this one, it's gold, blue, and red. So I don't know if I would have did that color scheme with them. And it's funny how this one's loaded with them and this one isn't. Look, this one has so much more stars than this one. I don't know, but that'll be great for a tassel because none of the glitter will come off. So I just wanted to show you quick what I got at Hobby Lobby. Today is New Year's Day. I might go again tomorrow, but if I do, I'll go to the store I didn't go to over the weekend because the other two was like a flop. So I don't know if they're going to have anything else. I know Vagabond said, oh, there was tons of stuff she had that she didn't even see before. She had like these little light bulbs and like they were like this big and you could stick like sequins mix in that and send it to Happy Mail for Happy Mail and everything. And she got a bunch of those and I saw nothing like that. So maybe I'll try one more store tomorrow if I feel like it. If I do, I'll make another video and we'll see. I'll show you how I made out, but I'm not going to get my hopes up on that. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.